Turkish company STM will produce 2 logistic support ships for the Portuguese Navy. STM, one of the Turkish defense industry companies, has achieved a new success. The company participated in the tender for the logistic support vessel opened by the Portuguese Navy and outperformed the world's leading military maritime companies in the tender. The Portuguese Navy decided that the engineering solution provided by STM was the most successful solution, and STM won the project. Within the scope of the auxiliary oiler Replenisher and logistic ship project, 2 ships will be designed and built in a private shipyard in Türkiye under the main contractorship of STM. This is the first time Türkiye has exported a military ship to an EU and NATO member country. Logistic support ship signatures signed in Lisbon. The contract signing ceremony for the Naval Supply and Logistics Support Ship project, which will increase cooperation between Türkiye and Portugal, was held today in Lisbon, the capital of Portugal. The ceremony was attended by Professor Dr. Haluk Gurgun, President of the Presidency of Defense Industries, Admiral Henrique Gouveia e Melo, Commander of the Portuguese Navy, Admiral Henrique Gouveia e Melo, Carlos Felix, Portuguese Defense Industry Agency, IDD, Professor Dr. Ihsan Kaya, Vice President of Defense Industries, Özgür Gülerius, General Manager of STM, Haldun Koç, Ambassador of Türkiye to Lisbon, representatives of the Portuguese Ministry of Defense, Portuguese Navy, Presidency of Defense Industries, and STM. In his speech at the ceremony, Professor Dr. Haluk Gurgun, President of the Turkish defense industry, said, "The Turkish defense industry has made significant progress in recent years. Our country, which is one of the 10 countries in the world that can produce its own warships, has now started to export these platforms to friendly and allied countries. Developing strong defense industry cooperation with our NATO allies is among the important priorities for Türkiye." The 2 replenishment tankers we signed today for the Portuguese Navy are also the first military ship exports between Portugal and Türkiye. We see this agreement as an important step towards greater cooperation in other areas, such as unmanned naval vehicles, electronic warfare systems, and more shipbuilding and naval modernization projects. The project will help the Portuguese Navy meet its operational needs in the coming years, and we aim to work with the Portuguese Navy to complete the project on time and with high-quality results. Gülerius, General Manager of STM, made statements about the ships. The ships will have a unique design and modular architecture that will best meet the strategic objectives and operational requirements of the Portuguese Navy. The logistic support ships will be able to perform joint power transfer, amphibious operations, and replenishment at sea functions with its innovative design and versatile mission function. They will have high speed and cargo capacity compared to ships of similar size. The ships will be built in Türkiye under the main contractorship of STM. We will start building the ships in 2025 specifications. The ships, which will have a length of 137 meters, a displacement of 11,000 tons, and a maximum speed of 18+ knots, will be able to stay at sea for 90 days without interruption. In addition to a total of 100 duty personnel, the ships will be able to carry up to 20 light tactical armored vehicles. They will be equipped with sensors and weapon systems for all basic types of warfare, mainly air defense warfare. The ships will be equipped with close air defense systems, 12.7mm remote-controlled weapon systems, and chaff-shock decoy systems, and will incorporate a large number of advanced sensors and systems. The ships will also have platforms for helicopters and unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, and hangars for UAVs. Technical specifications. The Maritime Resupply and Logistics Support Ship AOR+ is a multi-purpose joint logistics support ship designed to provide both solid and liquid cargo support to surface platforms in times of peace and war. The logistics support ship is mainly designed to perform the following tasks. Peacetime. Providing dry and liquid cargo logistics support to ships at sea. Conducting search and rescue operations through helicopter deployed on board. Wartime. Providing dry and liquid cargo logistics support to ships at sea. Conducting search and rescue operations through helicopter deployed on board. Providing limited medical support to ships at sea capabilities. Replenishment at sea during day and night, including HIFR. providing adequate support to organic helicopter operations. Future installation possibility for defense purpose. Modern, multidimensional sensor dock weapon suites. Defense capability against chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear (CBRN) threats. Thanks for watching. Subscribe Defense Lab's YouTube channel for aviation and defense industry news and updates.